Hey guys, we're back with the 92 XR250L. I did goof up a little bit. I didn't realize that I was using an SD card that was bad. What I did get on film, I wasn't able to recover, so therefore there isn't a video about it. I just gave the bike a good power wash to get a lot of the old oil and grime that was on it off. Removed the seats, couple bolts, seat comes out. Side covers, got the carb out. It is a little tricky to get out. I did end up having to remove this reservoir for the rear shock in order to snake it out of here. Gave it a good thorough cleaning. It was pretty dirty. Sorry I didn't get that on video. If you have watched my videos in the past, I do have another video about a 400EX. Very similar carb setup. Type of carb that it has, the slide, it has an accelerator pump. Difference between that carb on the 400EX and this one is that these XRs have a return throttle cable, a pull and a push throttle cable. That was backwards, but basically one does one and the other does the other, as well as there's a cable operated choke as opposed to a little lever on the 400EX. If you wanted to see how to do that, check out my video on the 400EX. I'll link it here in the video as well as down in the description if you want to check that out. I did not hook it up. I drained as much gas as I possibly could out of this. There isn't really any gunk in here. I just wanted to be extra careful though, and I was looking for a fuel filter just in case there is some crap in there. All right, so that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of gas in this and I'll hook up the jumper again and see if we can't get this old girl to fire up. Got a little bit of fresh 93 in the tank. Let's see if we get fuel. Choke this. The jumper's all set up. Give it a couple kicks and see if we can get it to kick over. Adjust the idle maybe, but she runs. I was able to get it to pop off pretty consistently and run. It likes to be choked a little bit. Based on how temperamental my old XRs were, I think I'm just gonna finish cleaning this out and put the air filter on there, and I think that'll really make a difference. This is just some of the stuff that I ordered, but what I need to get the bike running. So I got a new battery from Tusk, a Maxima air filter, and a new NGK spark plug. I'm gonna go ahead and put the filter on and see if that makes a difference. I hope I don't have to take the carb back off. Ready for attempt number 2. Went ahead and cleaned out the air box, installed the new filter, cleaned the inside of the cover as well. I'm gonna try and empty out the carb bowl, see if maybe I didn't flood it. Okay, so I drained the carb and refilled it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it again. There we go. Guess it's a little cold natured. All right, you guys, I am back. Sometimes you gotta just walk away. I was just kind of getting frustrated by this thing. Part of it was my jump pack was kind of getting low on battery, so I went ahead and put the acid in the battery, put it on the charger. They've got a new battery in there. It didn't actually have a bracket, so I put this piece of aluminum and a bolt in there, and it actually holds it pretty well. I might just cut it and make it prettier later. It doesn't help that this side cover actually holds this in, because this kept on falling off or kind of shimmying open. This cover actually pushes it closed, so having this on actually helped quite a bit. At the same time, I changed the spark plug, remember from the first video, but the actual ceramic part kind of looked like it was burning unevenly, so I'm not sure if there was something wrong with the plug, but I went ahead and changed it, and that made a world of difference as well. I played around with the air-fuel ratio just a little bit. Now it actually starts, idles. It does pop on deceleration a little bit, but I think because where I think the bike is from, the jetting might need to be changed a little bit. It does start idle, and it doesn't bog out when I give it throttle. I'll go ahead and put this cover back on, and then I'll start it up. The jetting needs to change a little bit. It took quite a bit of tinkering with the air-fuel ratio to get it to run as decently as it's running. So if you like this video, feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm always open to criticisms and making my videos better. If you like this video, I do have some other videos. I like air-cooled Hondas, so that's mainly what's on my channel.